Good morning, one and all.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah, screen visibility there.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, yesterday we discussed about minima and maxima of function of two variables. Okay. Here today we can discuss about here minima and maxima for function of three variables. How to find minima and maxima for function of three variables? That is we can discuss now. Here for that we can discuss method, that is Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers. Here to find minima and maxima for function of three variables, here we can use Lagrange's method of undetermined multipliers method. Okay, here for that, here what are the required values, that is we should know. Here first, all of you listen to me carefully. Let f of x comma y comma z, let f of x comma y comma z be the function of three variables x comma y comma z, okay, which are connected by the relation, okay, which are connected by the relation phi of x comma y comma z. Okay, now here some function, okay, for some function, here we should find the either minimum or maximum value, that is depending on the here connected relation. Okay, here connected relation of x comma y comma z. For example, if the relation is provided for maximum value, then we can find maximum value of the function. If the function provided for minimum value, then we can find minimum value of the function. Okay, here that is minimum or maximum value depending on the connected relation of x comma y comma z. Okay, that is depending on the provided relation, that is here either minimum or maximum value here depending on the provided relation. Okay, that is you should know. Here let f of x, here listen to me once again, let f of x comma y be the function of three variables x comma y comma z which are connected by the relation phi of x comma y comma z. Okay, here after that one, here here from this given function and relation, from this relation, from this function and relation, here we should write one equation. That equation is said to be auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation, that equation is said to be either auxiliary equation or Lagrangian function. Okay, here that is generally denoted by capital F of x comma y comma z, capital F of x comma y comma z, that is equal to here given function, that is small f of x comma y comma z plus lambda into pi of x comma y comma z, pi of x comma y comma z. Here it is the, it is called Lagrangian function or auxiliary equation, where lambda is the Lagrangian multiplier. Okay, from the given values we should write like this. First, capital F of x comma y comma z is equal to here f of small f of x comma y comma z, that is the given function, and plus lambda into here, lambda is the Lagrangian multiplier, that is should we should take here. Next, pi of x comma y comma z, that is the provided relation. Okay, connected by the relation, that is connected by the relation means here xy x comma y comma z which are connected by the relation. Okay, that is pi of x comma y comma z. Here it is a Lagrangian equation and or auxiliary equation. Here if we know Lagrangian function, here we should here for minima or maxima, here we should use these conditions same as minima and maxima for two variables. In two variables also already we used these type of conditions. Here for minima or maxima of capital F of x comma y comma z, we have dou f by dou x equal to 0, comma dou f by dou y is equal to 0, and dou f by dou z is equal to 0. Okay, here we should find these values. Okay, after we get these three equations and equation number 1, that is given relation. Okay, here from these four equations, by using these four equations, here we should find xyz values and lambda values. Okay, here first we should find the lambda value. After we get lambda value, we should find the xyz values. We should find xyz values. After we get these values, here just we should substitute in the given function. Then here that is the either maximum or minimum, that is depending on the given relation. Relation లో మనకి ఏది ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తే దాన్ని బట్టి మనకి ఐదర్ మాక్సిమం ఆర్ మినిమం వాల్యూ అని రాస్తాం అక్కడ. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద here general here it is the general procedure. It is you should remember. Okay, I think you understood. Yes or no? Please give me response. All of you okay now
Yes,
this
sir.
one?
Yes,
All of
sir.
you okay? It is very simple, Nana. Now here we can discuss some examples on this. First example, write down all of you. Find minimum value. Here minimum value of x square plus y square plus z square, given that ax plus by plus cz is equal to p. Here find minimum value means here they provided here connected relation for minimum. Okay, they provided connected relation for minimum. So here what is f of x comma y comma z, nana, in the given function, in the given problem? What is
X
f of
square
x
plus
comma
y
y?
square plus z square.
X square plus y square
Very
plus z square.
here what is the relation, nana?
Phi of x comma y comma z equal to ax
Hmm,
plus by plus cz minus p.
very good, good girl. Now here these are the given values. First we should write the given values. All of you write the problem, nana. All of you write the problem first. Here let f of x comma y comma z is equal to here x square plus y square plus z square. It is given, and let phi of x comma y comma z is equal to here ax plus by plus cz minus p is equal to 0. It is the connected relation that is given. Cz minus p, this one is equal to 0. Okay, after this one, here what is the next one? Consider, first step it is consider the Lagrangian function. What is the Lagrangian function, Nana? Tell me. Lagrangian function capital F of x comma y comma z is equal to small f of x comma y comma z plus lambda into pi of x comma y comma z. It is a Lagrangian function, okay, or auxiliary equation. Okay, we can write any one here. Now What is the function here? X square plus y square plus z square into, sorry, x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda into here ax plus by plus cz minus cz minus p. That one is equal to 0. Here connected relation is there, Nana. That connected relation you can take as equation number 1. Connected relation we can use, that is you can take as equation number 1. Okay, after that one, here what is the next step? For minima or maxima, for here for minima or maxima means here we need to find only minimum value. For that only connected relation is given, so we should write like this only. For minima, for minima of capital F of x comma y comma z, we have dou f by dou x equal to 0. Dou f by dou x equal to 0 first. Here for that, what are the values? Tell me, Nana. Dou f by dou x equal to 0 means, tell me.
2x plus
2x plus
a lambda.
lambda into a. That one is equal to 0. Okay, from this we can write the x value, right? X is equal to, what is x value here? Minus a lambda by 2. Okay, now here take this one as equation number 2. Okay, now 1 second. Take this one as equation number 2. Next, what about next one? Dou f by dou y value. What is dou f by dou y value?
2y
Dou
plus
f,
b lambda.
that one is equal to 0. That is 2y plus lambda into b. That is equal to 0. That implies here x is equal, y is equal to what, Nana? Here y is equal to what?
Minus b lambda by 2.
B lambda by 2. Take this one as equation number 3. It is equation number 3. Next, what about next one? Dou f, at last, dou f by dou z value we should know. That one is equal to 0. That is, what is that one? 2z plus lambda
C
into
lambda
c.
equals
That
to
one is
0.
equal. Now that one is equal to, z is equal to, what is z value here? Minus c
Minus c
lambda by.
lambda by 2.
Okay, here we know the xyz values, right? Here we can use these three values, we can substitute these three values in equation number 1. Okay, from that you can get the lambda value. From that you can get the lambda value. Okay, after we get lambda value, by using that lambda values we can substitute in 2, 3, 4. We can get the xyz values. If we know xyz values, that xyz values we can substitute in the given function. That is, here we should find the minimum value. Okay, here these xyz values are for minimum only. Okay, so we can get the minimum value for the given function. I think you understood. Yes or no, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, substituting substituting 2, 3, 4 in equation number 1, we get, tell me, we get here, what is that equation here? A into ax means a into minus a lambda by 2 plus by means here b into minus b lambda by 2 plus c into z means minus c lambda by 2. That one is equal to what? minus p, that one is equal to 0. Okay, now here what are the values at last? Here in this, what is the common value? Minus lambda by 2 you can take as common, then a square plus b square plus c square. Now that one is equal to p. Now at last here lambda is equal to what, Nana? Minus 2p by cross multiplication, minus 2p by here a square plus b square plus c square. Yes or no? Here it is the lambda value. Here we got the lambda value. After we get lambda value, we should find the xyz value. Substituting lambda value in 2, 3 and 4 we get, tell me Nana, what we can get here by putting lambda value in equation number 2, 3, 4. Here x is equal to, here you can observe Nana, x is equal to by here, here minus minus plus you can get 2 gets cancelled. Then at last what is the value? AP by
P by
a
a
square.
square plus b
AP
square
by
plus
A
c
square
square.
plus B square plus C
Okay.
square.
Oh, very good. B square plus c square. Similarly here minus minus plus. Here 2 gets cancelled. Next, what about next one? What is y value here? Y is equal
BP
to
by
BP by a square plus b square plus c square. Next, z is equal to what? CP by a square plus b square plus c square. These are the required xyz values. Okay, next, what is the next one? Tell me, Nana. The our aim is we should find the minimum value of the function. The minimum value of f of x comma y comma z is equal to here AP by, okay, x square plus y square plus z square, right? Function. So AP, sorry, AP by a square plus b square plus c square whole square. It is the x value plus y square. What is the y square? That is BP by a square plus b square plus c square whole square. Okay, now AP by BP by, second, BP by a square plus b square plus c square whole square plus CP by a square plus b square plus c square. It is the z value. Okay, now what about next one? What about next one at last? Tell me here what is the common value in this?
p square. P
A
square by a
square.
square plus b square plus c square all square.
Okay, here LCM is a square plus b square plus c square whole square. It is the LCM, right? Now here a square p square, next to b square p square c square p square. In this, what is the common value? P square is the common value. So a square plus b square plus c square by here a square plus b square plus c square whole square. Here a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square gets cancelled. Now that one is equal to at last what is the value of p square by a square plus b square plus c square. It is the required solution for the given example. At last, therefore, f of x comma y comma z is equal to p square by a square plus b square plus c square. It is the required solution for the given example. I think you understood. Yes or no? Please give me response.
Yes, sir.
Boys. From boys, no
Yes, sir.
response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. What is the example on three variables? Okay. Now, next one write down now. It is most important problem. So many times repeated. It is all of you write it down fast. Problem రాయండి. స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. Answer అన్న ప్రాబ్లం.
Yes, sir.
One second. I will draw one figures. It is a rectangular box only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana. You observe here. What is the given problem here? A rectangular box open at the top. Okay, is to have 32 cubic feet, volume of 32 cubic feet. Okay, now here what is given? A rectangular box open at the top is is to have volume 32 cubic feet. Find the dimensions of the box. Okay, requiring least material for its construction. Okay, now here you can observe it is the I am taking it is x-axis, it is y-axis, it is z-axis here, and here box opened at the top. Here open at the top. Okay, now here what is the surface area formula? Here one side opened. One side opened means what is the surface area formula here? Tell me, Nana. Here I am taking first. You think about that one. I am taking like this. Let x feet, y feet, and z feet be the dimensions 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 of the rectangular box. Rectangular box. Okay. Here, what is the given relation? That is also you should observe now. Rectangular box open. Rectangular box open at the top. Open at the top. And let S be the surface of the box. Okay, here I taken x, y, z are the dimensions of the rectangular box open at the top and let us be the surface of the box. Okay, here what is the surface equation? What is the condition? What is the connected condition given? Tell me. Any one of you please tell me, Nana. Then
Sir,
surface area is equal. What is the formula for
xy
this?
plus 2yz plus 2zx.
Good, very good. Because here one side opened at the top. Top means that is we taken in xy plane. Okay, so here one side is not count here. That is why here in place of 2xy we taken xy. Very good. Here xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Right? Here it is the surface area, surface of the rectangular box open at the top. Okay, now here now next one is what is the given relation here? Tell me, Nana. Also given that, tell me, you should think about that one. Also
xyz
given
equals
that,
to 32.
very good. That is the given connected relation, right? Now given that volume of the box is 32 cubic feet. That is, what is that one? Tell me equation. X, Y, Z is equal to 32. Take this one as equation number 1. Now, what about next one? Let phi of x comma y comma z is equal to what? XYZ minus 32 is equal to 0. Okay, it is the connected relation. I think you understood up to here. All of you okay, Nana, up to here? It is most important problem. Girls, no response. I think.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write down. Here, first consider. What is the first step here? Consider the Lagrangian function. Consider the Lagrangian function. What is the Lagrangian function formula generally? Capital F of x comma y comma z is equal to small f of x comma y comma z here plus lambda into phi of x comma y comma z. It is the Lagrangian function. Here now, what is the surface area? That is, here in place of, all of you listen to me, in place of f you should take yes, because s of x comma y comma z function we taken. So xy plus 2yz plus 2zx here plus lambda into here xyz minus 32. I think you understood up to here. Now for here we should find the minimum require minimum. Here what is the what is the required material? Here required material is least material. Least material means minimum. Okay, minimum material we know, we should know, we should find. So for minima we should write here for minima, for minima of capital F of x comma y comma z, we have what are the conditions? Tell me, Nana. We have what is the first condition? Conditions tell me, please. Dou f by dou x equal to 0. Are you getting? Is my voice audible for you? No response.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
negative. Okay. Here dou f by dou x equal to 0. Then from this what is the value? Tell me, Nana. No response.
Y plus lambda yz 2z plus
Y plus 2z plus
lambda yz.
lambda yz. Very good. Now that one is equal to 0. Okay, from this we can write like this, that is y plus 2z is equal to minus lambda yz. Okay, now by cross multiplication, here yz plus 2z by here yz. Here that one is equal to minus lambda. Here now by dividing individually, here we can get 1 by z plus here 2 by y. Okay, now that one is equal to minus lambda. Here it is one equation. Take this one as equation number 2. Okay, next after that one, dou f by dou y value. What is the dou f by dou y value? All of you be ready with these values. Here what is the next value? Nana, tell me. నేను చాలా
X
స్లో
plus 2z
చెప్తున్నాను.
plus
X plus 2z plus
X
y.
lambda
plus lambda xz. Very good. Now
X.
that one is equal to 0. That that implies, okay, lambda xz. It is right only, right? Now that implies x plus 2z is equal to, here what is the value, Nana? X plus 2z is equal to minus x plus 2z is equal to minus lambda into xz, right? By cross multiplication and by dividing individual terms, we can get here 1 by z plus 2 by x. Okay, that one is equal to minus lambda. Here take this one as equation number 3. Okay, now after that one, dou f by dou z. What is dou f by dou z? Dou f by dou z is equal to 0. That is here. What
y
is the value here? Tell me, Nana. Dou f by dou z
2y
is
plus
equal to
2x plus lambda
2y
x
plus
2x plus
plus.
lambda xy.
Okay, very good. Lambda into xy. That one is equal to 0. That implies here from this we can write like this. That is 2x plus 2y. That one is equal to minus lambda xy. Now at last you can get like this. That implies here what is the value? 2 by x plus
2
2
by y
by
equals to minus lambda.
2 by x, 2 by y plus 2 by x, that one is equal to minus lambda. Okay, you can observe, Nana, these three equations you can observe. Here left side value, right side values you can observe. All are minus lambda is equal to only, right? Okay, then here by equating 1 and 2 we can get some, sorry, by equating 2 and 3 we can get some value. and by equating 3 and 4 we can get some values. What are that values? That is we can see now. Okay, now write down. I think up to here all of you understood. Yes or no?
Yes,
From
sir. Yes,
from
sir.
2. Okay, no, no. From 2 and 3. From 2 and 3. Here we should equate. Here left side, right side values are same. Then we can equate left side values, right? Then we get here 1 by z plus 2 by y. Now that one is equal to 1 by z plus 2 by x. Yes or no? Now in this 1 by z, 1 by z gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled on both sides. Now that implies here 1 by y is equal to 1 by x. Here we can write reciprocals of these. Then that one is equal, what is the what we can get? X equal to y we can get, right? Okay, here we got the x equal to y. Okay, similarly we can equate next two equations. What are that equations now? Tell me here. From from 3 and 4, from 3 and 4 we get tell me Nana. From 3 and 4 we get what? Here we can equate these two left side values. That is first one. Tell me what is the first value Nana here? 1 by z here plus 2 by x is equal to 2 by y plus 2 by x. That one is equal to, oh sorry, no need. Okay, these two we should equate. In these, here which value here 2 by x, sorry, 2 by x gets cancelled, right? Okay, then what is the remaining value at last? That implies 1 by z is equal to 1 by z is equal to what? 2 by y. Okay, now that implies here reciprocals of these we can write. Then z is equal to what, Nana? Z is equal to what? Y by 2. Y by 2. Okay, now here z is equal to y by 2. Okay, keep it with you. Here then we can do next step. That is here you can take this one as last one. You can take as equation number 5. Equation number 5 it is. Next it is equation number 6. Next after that one, here we can use 5 and 6 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1, Nana? Here we can at last we should use the connected relation. Okay, in that only we should substitute. Okay, here what is x equal to what? Y. Okay, then uh, substituting, write this one, Nana, using using 5 and 6 in equation number 1. We get what we can get, Nana. Here tell me here what is the equation number 1? XYZ is equal to 32. So x is equal to what, Nana? Y. Here don't change y. Okay, y is equal to y only. Okay, here z is equal to what, Nana? From equation number 6, z is equal to what? Chapan, Nana. Are you getting or not? Y by 2. Okay, now that one is equal to what? 32. Now that implies here y cube is equal to y cube is equal to how much? 64. Y cube is equal to here by cross multiplication 2 into 32, that is equal to 64. 64 means here 4 cube is equal to 64. Then that one is equal to y is equal to 4. We can write yes or no. Here y is
Yes.
equal to 4 means here y is equal to 4 means x is equal to
4.
4. Y.
X equal to y.
Okay, x equal to y condition already we know here. So therefore write down. Therefore x is equal to y. That one is equal to 4 and Z is equal to what? Here y by 2. Y by 2 means 4 by 2. That one is equal to 2. Okay, now here x, y, z values we know here. Hence the dimensions of the rectangular box are, what are the dimensions of the rectangular box? Tell me, Nana. 4 feet, 4 feet, and 2 feet. It is the required solution at last. Okay, now I think you understood. Yes, what I'm talking about is most important. All of you, okay, now this one.
Yes, sir.
ఇంకోసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలా ఈ ప్రాబ్లం? ప్రాబ్లం మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలా? ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలా?
No,
No need?
no, sir.
Okay. Now write this one. Find the points on the surface. Here z square is equal to xy plus 1 nearest to the origin. Also find the shortest distance from origin to the surface. Here what is the function? What is the function here? What is the relation? That is, all of you should observe and tell me. Think about this one. Here find points on the surface. Find points on the surface. Here surface, some the surface is given. Here nearest to the origin. Okay, nearest to the origin. Points nearest to the origin, that is given. Next, also find the shortest distance origin to the surface. Here what is given, Nana? First here what is given equation? What given equation? It is function or relation? Any one of you, please give me
Relation
the
is given, sir.
response.
Relation.
Very good. Okay, it is the given relation. How to get function, Nana? Tell me.
Uh, Consider a point xyz on the surface, sir.
Very good.
Then the distance from the origin to the surface is the required function.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Good boy. Okay, now that is very good. Here let p of x comma y comma z, p of x comma y comma z be any point, on the surface. On the surface, what is the surface here? Z square is equal to xy plus 1. Okay, now that is the surface. Take this one as equation number 1. Okay, now relation ఎప్పుడైనా మనం ఏం తీసుకుంటాం? ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1 గా తీసుకోవాలి, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ అబౌట్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్? నియరెస్ట్ to the origin. Nearest to the origin. Here what is the origin means? Here you O 0 0 0. That is you can take. Okay, now here then OP means distance between O and P. Okay, that is, what is the formula? Tell me, any one of you, what is the formula for distance between 2 points?
Under
Here
root of x minus 0
2
whole
minus
square
x
plus
1
y
whole
minus
square plus
y
y 2
plus
minus y
x
1 whole square.
minus 0 whole y. Okay, very good. Now here whatever ఎట్లా అయినా తీసుకోవచ్చు మీరు 0 minus x అని తీసుకోండి x minus 0 అని తీసుకోండి ఎట్లా తీసుకున్నా no problem because square is there whole square. Now that one is equal to what, Nana? That one is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. Here now that implies OP square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, it is a required function. Now let I am taking let f of x comma y comma z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square and let pi. What is the pi, Nana? Here pi of x comma y comma z, already we discussed about this one. That one is equal to here z square minus xy minus 1, that one is equal to 0. It is a connected relation. Now here consider what is the first step here, tell me, Nana. Consider the Lagrangian function or auxiliary equation, that is capital F of x comma y comma z is equal to small f of x comma y comma z plus lambda into pi of x comma y comma z. Here what is the next one? Next step, tell me. Here x square plus y square plus z square, here plus lambda into z square minus xy minus 1. Okay, now it is a Lagrangian function or auxiliary equation. Here what is given in the problem? Here shortest distance means that is the minimum value. Okay, now here for minima of capital F of x comma y comma z, we have, tell me, Nana, we have dou f by dou x equal to 0. What is the value for this? That is
2x minus lambda y.
2x minus plus into here minus plus lambda into minus y, that one is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 2. Okay, next one. What about next one? Dou f by dou y is equal to 0. That is here what is the next one? 2y plus lambda into minus x is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 3. Next, what about next one? Dou f by dou z is equal to 0. Dou f by dou z is equal to 0. That is here 2z plus what is the value, Nana? Lambda into 2z. Now that one is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 4. Is equation number 4. After that one, here that implies here no need to take equation number 4. Wait for a minute. Here from this we can write like this, Nana. That implies here here in this what is the common value, Nana? 2z into lambda plus 1. Okay, now that one is equal to 0, right? Now here z not equal to 0 only. That is not equal to 0 means lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Now that implies here lambda is equal to what? Minus 1. Lambda is equal to what? Minus 1. I think you understood up to here. Yes or no? Put lambda is equal to minus
Sir,
1.
why z is not equal to 0, sir?
ఇక్కడ మనం z is equal to not equal to 0 అని తీసుకోవాలి. మనం ఈక్వల్ టు 0 తీసుకోవద్దు కదా. ఓకేనా? ఈక్వల్ టు 0 తీసుకోవద్దు. ఈక్వల్ టు 0 తీసుకుంటే మనకి వాల్యూ అనేది రాదు, పాయింట్ అనేది రాదు. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here in put lambda is equal to -1 in 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We get what we can get, Nana? Here, tell me, by putting lambda is equal to -1. What are the values here? Tell me.
2x plus y equal to
2x
0.
plus y equal to 0.
0. Okay.
X
And
plus
2y plus x equal to
x plus 2y is equal to 0. X plus 2y is equal to 0. These are the equations, right? Now, here solving these two we get what we can get. Tell me, Nana, directly you can tell.
0, 0.
Solving we get x equal to 0 comma y is equal to 0, right? Now here we should substitute these values in equation number 1. You can observe, Nana, substituting x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in 1. We get z square is equal to what? 1. That implies z is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. ఒకవేళ ఇంతకుముందు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినా, ఒకవేళ z is equal to 0 తీసుకుంటే నీకు ఏమొస్తాయి? వాల్యూస్ ఏం రావు, అన్ని జీరోస్ వస్తాయి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎప్పుడైనా మనం ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ వై ఇంటూ సంథింగ్ ఉంటే మనం 0 తీసుకుంటామా? డైరెక్ట్ తీసుకోం కదా. అక్కడ రిక్వైర్డ్ వాల్యూని బట్టి మనం డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ రిక్వైర్డ్ వాల్యూ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Next, p of, therefore p of p, what is p here? X, y, z kada. X equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. Okay. Or here these are the points on the given surface. Yes or no? P is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 1. P is equal to next one is 0 comma 0 comma minus 1. These are the required points on the surface. Yes or no? Are the points on the given surface nearest to the origin. Okay, therefore shortest distance also we should find, right? Shortest distance from origin to the surface is equal to what, Nana? OP.
1.
That one is equal to under root 0 plus 0 plus plus or minus 1 whole square. Okay, now that one is equal to 1. I think you understood. Yes or no? Please give me response.
Yes, sir.
All of you okay now? How to find
Yes, sir.
minima and okay. Right. Thank you. All of you completed that problem, Nana?
Yes, sir.